what's going on? I am here, as you can see, to do another MCM video. I purchased this particular crossbody from POSHMARK at an amazing deal. Let me adjust my thing for you guys. Okay, so anyway, here is the bag, and this is the MCM Camera Bag in the color Cognac, which is Cognac is my favorite color. So here is the front, and then here's the side of the bag, and here is the back, the other side, and then here is the bottom. Show you guys the inside. So here's the inside. It's like a cloth material in the inside, and it does have one inside pocket. And then here's the card, and then there's the, I don't know if y'all can see it, but the MCM tag is right there. But yeah, y'all, so I got this off of POSHMARK, and this bag retails for $5.25, and I got it off of POSHMARK for $2.99. So I thought that was an amazing deal. I kept looking at it, and I was like, no, I'm not going to get it, because I know I said I wasn't going to purchase any more bags. And I saw this one. I was like, that's cute, and that's a great deal. So I end up getting it, and I actually ordered it back in August the 23rd, and I got it on the August the 28th. So I'm just not getting a chance to do the video. I've been really busy at work. So here she is. And the only thing with this one is, yeah, she didn't have the dust bag, which is fine because I have plenty of extra dust bags, so that wasn't a big deal or whatever. But there's nothing wrong with it, no scratches or anything. And her stuff on her pages, she has like really nice stuff for really great prices or whatever. So the straps are removable. So if you would like to, you can remove these straps, and I'm going to show y'all what all fits in the inside too. But you can remove the straps, and you actually can use this to go inside of a tote if you want to, because it's not really too big and it's not really too small either. So you can either use the straps that came with it, or I have these extra straps that I purchased off of Amazon. It's just a plain gold strap. So you can either do that, or you can attach just the all gold strap, and I think that is like super duper cute also. And the gold, it matches, so I think this is so cute. I think that'll be really, really cute. So that's if you want to. And then you can also probably get like a black strap, and if you want to do like all black, you can do that also. But I just want to show you guys that you can switch out the straps if you would like to. And the straps that came with it, they are adjustable. And I did try this bag on, y'all. It fits so good, and it hangs just right, because I'm just 5'2", so it hung just right. But it does have the adjustable strap. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5 holes if you want to adjust it or whatever to your liking. So let me show you guys what all can fit in here really fast, because I don't want this video to be too long. Let me put this chain up. So first, I'm going to show you, here's the regular size MCM wallet, and that's not going to fit. It's too big. So just in case anyone's wondering, a regular size wallet will not fit inside of here. It's too small. So I do have this little small wallet, and you can actually put this one in the back pocket back here. So that fits back there. And then you can get this little card case. You can use that one, and you can stick that in there. You can get you a little perfume ball thingy. You can get you some gum and stick in there. You can get you some lip chap also to stick in there. You can get some hand sanitizer, and that will go in there as well. And then here's my Coach key thingy. That will fit in there also. So all of that will fit in there, and you may have a room for 1 or 2 more other things, but you don't want to have it too stuffed. So here's everything in there. And then also I have this Coach flower charm, and I think that probably would look cute on there, so you can add that to the side only if you want to. It's kind of long, but you can have that to the side if you want. So there's that. And then you can also add if you want like to add a little hand sanitizer on the side, you can do that as well. Or you could put you like a little small puff ball on the side also. I mean, that's if you want to. You don't have to, but that's just an idea. And let's see, I have this MCM card case as well. And if you don't put like the little key thing in there, you can put this in here, and you can take this other one out, and then you can just have that in there to give you more room. Or you can do just the accordion one, and you can stick that one in there along with the key one, and that fits as well. So I just wanted to show you guys like what will fit in there. That's not necessarily what I will have in here, but just to show you guys what can fit in there. And once I carry the bag, which will be probably soon, if I go shopping anywhere, go out of town, that's probably my next bag that I carry instead of the backpack. I love that backpack, but I had to just, I needed something bigger, so that's why I have been carrying my tote or whatever. But the next time I go out of town, I probably will be taking this bag right here, and once I do, I'll do a video and show you guys what all I carried inside of here. So I just want to show you guys my little good deal that I purchased off of Poshmark. And y'all make sure y'all check out Poshmark. They be having some amazing deals on there. Just make sure, and if you're scared that you're going to get something that's not real, just get it authenticated or whatever. They do that, and you should be good to go. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.